What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Trisha here, but you may already know that. As you can tell from the title and the thumbnail of this video, I am giving you all a new hair braiding styling video, okay? If you like this video, which I know you will, make sure you go ahead to leave a like so that I know you like it, okay? And as always, we are jumping right into this video. If you have any questions or comments or need further details, make sure to leave a comment down in the comment box. I'm gonna try not to talk so much and let you all watch. So the main inspiration for this braid style is the money sign, and we are doing a heart on the other side, but as you can see, we're starting with the money sign. Now this look is accomplished by two braids being braided straight down, and then we go right on top of it with an S braid. Okay, if you would like further details or a tutorial on how to do this in a detailed manner, leave a comment down below and I will be sure to go ahead and get that out for you.
Give a pretty brown girl her space. Keep your better. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your better. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud?
And just a FYI, like a lot of the braid styles that I do are normally freestyle braids. It's usually one or two inspiration pieces, and the rest of the braids are pretty much how I just kind of decide how to make the parts as I go. So it's not, I just feel like there's no way to do a braid style wrong. Just figure out what your inspiration is for the style, what your overall look is, and just go with it.
Pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey. Bad little flex. She wanna know me. Stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love.
so now we're moving on to the heart braid on the other side. And if you want more details on this braid, I did do another video with the heart braid that gave you more details into how to actually achieve the look. So if you're interested in that video, I will go ahead and link that in the cards and also in the description box, so you'll be able to check that out. This style really just has the features of the dollar sign and the heart, and most of the other braids are going to be just braids going straight back. So I want to get the design braids out of the way first, so I know how to structure the straight braids.
She leaves her safe space, wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better, make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever, wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space.
And as always, for the heart braid, you can definitely leave this as two pieces, but I do like to join them to make it one. I just feel like it makes the heart look more of a heart, so that is what I'm doing here.
Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better, make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. 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 Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own.
I haven't seen you in a long time. Almost been a year since you broke my heart and tore me apart. Oh, yeah. I've been working on myself, trying to move on. Looking up at someone else, trying to forget and get you out of my head. No, I deleted all your messages, 'cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're...
Okay, so right here with the extra hair that we have before we get to the second like C curve in the heart, I didn't want to make a braid that goes around the heart, so I'm simply just doing you know, the style where the little bitty braids goes into the big braids. I don't really know how else to explain it, but that is what I'm doing here. So just to fill up that space right there in the front. So I am going to do this, and also I do the other side where the money side sign is the same way.
You keep saying you'll change, but we both know people don't change it. It's time to let me go. Why won't you leave me alone? I deleted all your messages, 'cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me. Oh, I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the only. Think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling me. I'm so tired of these late night talks, saying things that we don't mean, that we regret in the morning. Yeah, I just wish we could open up, be a little more honest. This is getting exhausting. Yeah, can't do one more night of.
Okay, so right here is where I'm going to go ahead and finish off this money sign. I wasn't sure how I wanted to end this braid, so I just went ahead and did a braid straight down to finish it off. And again, the style wasn't going to be a very complicated style, so I was trying to keep it very simple.
Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet, but maybe it's too late to figure it out.
Okay guys, I deeply apologize. I'm realizing now that I'm editing that I do not know what happened to my footage for the remaining parts to do this braid, so I'm so sorry. But I have attached some pictures of how she wore the hairstyle, and I wanted to make sure that I still posted this video just so that you all can see how to do this money sign braid and also get another glimpse of the heart braid. Again, I apologize, but I hope you still enjoyed this video, and make sure you like and subscribe for more content, which will be complete. Thank you. Bye.
To sleep on the sofa, I just wanna figure it out.